With Model 1 lesson objectives outlined, let's begin the class by first defining cyber reverse engineering. The term cyber reverse engineering is defined as the process or the method through which one attempts to understand the deductive reasoning on how a device, a process, a system, or how a piece of software accomplishes its task. In a simple term, a cyber reverse engineering is a process or the act of disassembling a device, a system, or a software to the core of its formation or to the core of its manufacturing design. It's important to note that the definition of cyber reverse engineering may vary depending on the form or the type of cyber reverse engineering. So as the class proceeds, I will define reverse engineering based on the various forms of reverse engineering there is in the cyberspace. Before we proceed to the various forms of cyber reverse engineering, I want to encourage you to try and perform a cyber reverse engineering on any cyber product. That is either a software, a hardware, or a network design. Don't let the term reverse engineering scare you off, since in actual fact, reverse engineering is not as difficult as many perceive it to be. In reality, we all perform a form of reverse engineering on a daily basis, but many are ignorant about they performing a form of reverse engineering or being a reverse engineer themselves. From the tracing or redrawing of an image, from the taking of measurements of a craft work in order to recraft it, from the resewing or redesigning of someone's fashion design or a fashion style, to the performing or singing of a cover song, that is, singing an already composed song but making it sound differently, are all forms of reverse engineering. So be at ease and be encouraged to try any of the forms of cyber reverse engineering, which we'll be learning into details in our next lesson.